Hey, I'm Khan from the Dart and Flutter team at Google. In the previous video, we explored Dart as a programming language, its syntax, type system, and core philosophy. In this video, we're talking about the rest of the Dart world. When we talk about Dart, we're really talking about a large ecosystem made up of several components in addition to the language, like the platform, including the Dart runtime, compilers, analyzer, and formatter, DevTools, which helps you analyze, debug, and test your apps, and Pub.dev, Dart's package manager. We've already covered the language, so let's talk about the Dart platform, which makes your Dart code run efficiently across different environments, whether it be mobile devices, web browsers, or servers. What makes Dart's platform so efficient in development and production is its dual compilation approach. It's designed to be fast for both developers and end users, all thanks to Dart's two compilers. Here's how that works. During development, Dart uses a JIT or just-in-time compiler. Simply put, that means your code is compiled as you write it, with the goal of getting from source code to a running state as fast as possible. In fact, this JIT compilation is the secret behind Flutter's world-famous stateful hot reload. When you make a change to your code, you don't have to wait. You can see the results in just milliseconds, without losing your app state or having to recompile the app. Though, when you're ready to ship your app to your users' devices, Dart switches to ahead-of-time compilation, otherwise known as AOT compilation, to prioritize end-user performance. The AOT compiler analyzes your entire app, removes unused code, and compiles everything. That results in optimized native machine code like ARM code for iOS and Android, native executables for Linux, Windows, and macOS, and JavaScript or WebAssembly for web. This means your users get fast startup times, buttery smooth 60 FPS performance, and efficient memory usage, no matter where your app is running. Staying true to Dart's write once, run everywhere promise. This JIT and AOT dual compilation approach means that you never have to choose between developer productivity and end-user performance. You get rapid iteration during development, and your users get lightning-fast apps that they love. Don't think that Dart is only for writing UI, though. Dart code compiles to standalone executables, so you can use it to write server code, command line apps, automation scripts, or whatever else your heart desires. Then there's Dart DevTools, a suite of app debugging and profiling tools. Whether you're tracking down a performance bottleneck or analyzing memory usage, DevTools gives you deep visibility into your running application. It works with both Dart and Flutter apps, helping you to better understand and optimize your app's performance. Finally, last but not least, Pub.dev. Otherwise known as Pub, Dart's official package manager and dependency management system. Pub gives you access to thousands of open source packages, so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel and write your entire code base from scratch. Need to fetch data over the network? There's a package for that. Need camera access? There's also a package for that. You get the point. So before you sit down to knock out some code, be sure to check Pub first to make sure that there isn't already a package that does what you need. All of the packages on Pub are written and contributed by developers just like you, from across the wonderful Dart and Flutter community. So as you can tell, the Dart ecosystem isn't just about running on multiple platforms. It's about doing so without compromise. You get a consistent development experience, native performance on every platform, code sharing between your client and server, productive developer tooling, and an ecosystem of high-quality packages. Dart's ecosystem does all of these things so that instead of wrestling with tooling or considering performance trade-offs, you can spend more of your time actually building great user experiences. So whether you're building the next great mobile app, web app, desktop app, command line tool, or backend server, we believe you'll find that Dart's ecosystem comes packed with everything that you need to deliver the best development experience for you and the best user experience for your users. Well, that was a fun tour through the Dart ecosystem. Thanks for going through it with me. That's all we have to talk about in this video, and I'll see you later.